Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Yiddish video. In the past, I've made a video about how to read Yiddish. If you're familiar with Yiddish, you'll know that it uses the same alphabet as Hebrew and the letters look something like this. But the truth is, the letters also look like this. Or at least the script letters do. Yiddish and Hebrew are written using a script alphabet that was developed to make it more convenient to write in these languages. Since the letters can look quite different, I made this guide on how to write in Yiddish so you can have full fluency in speaking, reading, and writing. If you'd like an introduction to the alphabet before learning how to write it, you can watch that video first. I'll leave a link in the description. Otherwise, let's get right into it. Here we go! Aleph, bet, vet, gimel, dalet, hey, vav, zayin, chet, tet, yud, kaf, chaf, and the chaf, lamed, mem, and mem, nun, and the nun, samach, ayin, hey, fe, and the fe, Sadi, and the Tzadi, Kuf, Resh, Shin, Sin, Taf, Saf. Quite different, huh? Some words and sentences can look completely different when written in print and in script. For example, look at what my name looks like when it's typed up. Now compare it with how I write my name. You can already see the mem looking like a completely different letter, and the aleph. Let me show you a couple of more examples using all the letters of the alphabet. Ich, Zwag, Kleid, Meer, Babbe, Hose, weinen, Waffen, Hitz, koiach, stam, os, Schiff, welche, the only case in which many of these letters are used are in words borrowed from Hebrew. In those cases, they keep their Hebrew spelling and confuse anyone trying to learn how to spell in Yiddish. For instance, if we need to make the V sound, we usually write vav and never vet. In Hebrew, either one can be used. If someone is familiar with language trees, they can use this to learn how to spell in Yiddish correctly. Let's use saf, for example. I gave the example word os. Now let's think, where's this word derived from? It's a borrowed Hebrew word and therefore is spelled with saf. Now what about the word es, meaning it? This would be spelled using a samach because of its Germanic roots. This is what the word looks like in German. This trick works for anyone familiar with Hebrew, German, or another closely related Germanic language. Otherwise, just ignore it. Let's try writing some basic sentences in Yiddish script. If you're here to learn and would like to practice, grab a pen and join along. A gitton. Man Nummern is was hebt sich? Was heißt die? Von wie kommst du? Now I hope this guide on how to write in Yiddish script was helpful. Now, I know it can be difficult at first to learn how to write using foreign characters, but with practice, it'll begin coming naturally. Did you find this easy or hard? Do you think it's logical and practical to have a script alphabet like this? Or do you think it's confusing? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Tack för idag, litraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!